Hello everyone, my name is Komal Pardeshi. I will show you how to edit your child's video. First step is go to Play Store, download UCut Video Editor and Video Maker. Open it, tap on this plus sign, select New Project. I will edit this video. Just you have to select this. Go to next step. Now listen this video carefully. My voice is there in between.
ठीक से लगा, दबा थोड़ा सा। ठीक से लगाओ, ठीक से लगाओ।
Okay, my voice is there, so you can mute this video. This is toolbar. Select volume, slide this to 0, then tick to this. Now listen. Video is muted. Okay, now you can add music. Select this music, select any music. These are the featured music. You can select from your folder. This is my folder, my music. I will use this music. Okay, see, okay, you can, yes, this is speed mode. You can increase or decrease the speed of video. If you want slow-mo, decrease the speed. See, you can see effect in the video, slow motion video. Okay, you can increase the speed. Time-lapse video, looks like time-lapse video. I will use this time-lapse. Tick it. Now see, okay, you can add text over here. See, I am adding homework. You can change color. Select any one color. Okay, just don't forget to tick it. Now you can add images also. Select photo. I will select this one, this one. Even you can change the duration of your photo. I will select it to 1.5 second. Tick it. Select that photo. Select duration. It means your photo will appear on screen for 1.5 second. Select. See, you can add music, you can add text, you can use filter, you can use stickers also. Even if you want to flip the video, you can flip. Want to crop the video, you can crop it. Even if you want to trim your video, you can trim it. Now this is my final video. See. Hope you like it. Use this app, make your child's video. If you have any queries, you can contact me. Thank you so much, Little Millennium team, for giving me this opportunity to share my knowledge. Thank you so much.